car, SUV, or truck, guess what? You're in luck. Frontier Motors is down the street. Got the best deals that can't be beat. Don't overpay, come in today. Doing business the old-fashioned way. Frontier, we got the right price. Frontier, we'll treat you mighty nice. Frontier Motors, low overhead country.
Yes, indeed. And we are pleased to have the owner of that fine establishment here in the studio with us. None other than Mr. Ivan Streckel, Low Overhead Country, or Frontier Motors, located at 230 Beverly Parkway. If you'd like to get a value on a car, truck, or SUV that you're thinking of buying or selling or trading in, then you need to call us here at 478-3116. Good morning, Mr. Streckel.
Hey, Don. Thank you so much. And let me explain what's going out there to the people out there that are listening to the show and also watching it. This is a radio show that we're also videotaping for the cable channels. So if you are watching this on TV, for example, don't be calling that number that Don just said, because it's not going to get you into the TV show. We do take calls on the air right here. One of the reasons that we take calls on the Frontier Motor Show is to give you the value of your car. So if you happen to be driving down the road and you're thinking about maybe selling your car, or perhaps you're thinking about trading the car in, maybe you're going to buy a brand new car and you'd like to know what should you get for the trade-in. What should that appraiser be appraising that car for? You can join us on the show by dialing 478-3116. Again, that's 478-3116. That's a WCOA radio show. And what we're going to be doing for the next 25 minutes is kind of talking about the car business a little bit. And we do things a little bit different than most car dealerships. I know that when you watch this show on TV, a lot of car dealerships have individual cars that they're running in the background to show you what type of cars they have on a lot. We don't talk so much about the cars, and I'm going to talk about it a little bit later on the show, but we talk about more about the services that we offer at Frontier Motors. That kind of sets us apart a little bit from most car dealerships. And obviously, all car dealerships get up in the morning, open the doors for a reason. They want to sell you a car. And we're not any different in that aspect to anybody else. The difference that we do is we are in it for the long term. We're not there to talk you into purchasing a car right then and today. Now, obviously, we'd love to get you to buy the car right then and there, but we know that the car that you're going to be buying is probably the second largest purchase that you're ever going to make in your lifetime. Most people buy a house and buy a car. And I know there's other things you can buy. You can buy an airplane, you can buy other kinds of expensive things, but for most people, the car is going to be the second the largest purchase. Therefore, you need to take your time when you make that decision. You don't need to walk into the first dealership and fall down because you happen to be attracted to a smooth-talking salesperson that can tell you why the car that he's selling has to be bought right then and there. I would say if the car's not there tomorrow, then it wasn't meant to be. In other words, step back a little bit, shop around, and make sure that that is the car you want. And I'm not even talking about the pricing so much. Pricing, in my mind, is important, but not the most important thing. I think the most important thing is that you find a car that you're really comfortable with that fits your needs. The second thing is that you're doing business with a reputable place that's also going to take care of you after the sale in case you have some issues with the vehicle, or in case something else happens. You need the dealer. You want them to be there. The third thing, of course, is to make sure that you're being told and shown a competitive price. Might not be the lowest price in the nation, but it's going to be a fair price for what you're getting. And what we do at Frontier Motors a little bit differently is when you come on the lot and one of the salesmen greets you, all of our cars are unlocked every morning, so you can shop at your leisure if you want. A salesperson can help direct you in the right path because we have over 300 cars on the lot. So, and it's a very big lot, even though the nice thing is you're one location. It'll take a time to take a look at all those cars. So what we can do is kind of help you filter through some of these cars, and our salespeople will do that because they know where the inventory is and they know the price range. And if you're, for example, looking for a car for $5,000, we don't want to show you the $30,000 cars. And if, for example, you're looking for a 2010 Escalade, which we happen to have on the lot, you don't have to look through 299 cars. We can direct you right to that Escalade. And the nice thing that we'll do is we'll let you drive it, and we'll give you a bottom line price in writing. But I think the bigger thing that we offer is the trade value. And this is not a value that you get on the internet. You'll notice I've got the internet system right in front of me here if you're watching this on TV. And I can Google the Edmunds, the Kelly, the NADA. We use a little bit different program. What we do is we use the wholesale guides, which are the little secret black books that most car dealerships aren't going to show you. And the reason they don't want to show you this is because they don't want to tell you that the wholesale value of the vehicle is this, but they're charging you way up here. And what we do is we allow our customers to look at these. We don't have a problem sharing these books for you. We can justify any price that we charge you for a particular car. And the whole thing about it is a justification of why is the price what it is. And if it's more than what you think it should be, what we'll do is we can adjust that price based on maybe going back 1 year, on the model car you're looking at, maybe going up in miles, maybe getting a vehicle that doesn't have as much equipment. If you're looking at a vehicle that's got a sport package navigation, that might be a $3,000 ad. And you're wondering, well, why is this car priced this? And down the road, they have it priced for less. There's always a reason. It could have a bad history report. There's a lot of reasons. It could be a bad color. There's a lot of reasons why one car is priced differently than the other. But the bottom line thing that we do at Frontier Motors, we get to that value without spending all day long. You don't have to spend... I have so many customers that come to the dealership and say, boy, I was with the other dealer. It took me 5 hours to get a price out of them. What could you possibly do at a dealer for 5 hours? Unless they got some real comfortable furniture and you can fall asleep, take a nap. Or maybe they have a restaurant in their dealership and you can eat lunch. But there's no way that you could spend 5 hours at a dealership unless you're making it hard upon yourself. Now, some dealerships make it real hard to get a price, and that's where we're different. We can get your price in a matter of minutes. Every one of our salespeople has an asking price. It looks similar to this that I'm holding up in my hand. And I'm looking at this morning's inventory. We've got $6.1 million worth of inventory, 299 cars on the lot. I noticed last night they dropped another truckload off. I believe there was 8 cars on there. That means we have 307 cars. I bought a Town & Country van a couple of minutes ago before I'm doing the show. It means we have 308 vehicles on the lot. And the nice thing about that is if you're not sure what you want, you can shop in one location and look at all different makes and models. The negative thing about going to a franchise dealership, if you're going to go to the BMW dealership, they're going to show you only one vehicle. It's going to be the BMW. But let's say you want to look at a BMW, a Lexus, an Infiniti, maybe the Cadillac, maybe an upscale type SUV. At Frontier Motors, we have them all. We have the Escalade. We have the Cadillac SRX, midsize sport utility. We have the regular sport utilities like the Ford Explorer, maybe an Expedition, maybe a Ford Edge. If you flip over to Mazda, we've got the CX-7. We have the Acuras on the line. We have the BMWs sitting there. We have them all lined up, a multitude of Lexus products. So you can go to one dealership and test drive them all. It's almost like going to a car show. I think people like car shows. We don't have any major car shows in our area, but I remember years and years ago when I ran a large dealership in Milwaukee, we used to have the Milwaukee Car Show. Well, that place was jam-packed, and the reason was because people could come to one spot and look at all the different makes and models, and that's why an independent dealership is such a great place to go to, like Frontier Motors, because you can come in and look at all the makes and models, and because we're an independent, we don't try to talk you into one model versus another. When you go to the dealerships that have a franchise, they are trained why their vehicle is the best vehicle in the world. And of course, you go across the street to the competitor, and they're trained to tell you why their vehicle is the best vehicle in the world. At our dealership, what we do is we have the consumer's reports available. We have the new car cost guides available. We have the rebates and incentives available. We have the pricing available, so you can make a decision, and we don't really care which make and model you buy. We just want to sell you any one of them. It doesn't matter. But we do it without pressure. What we do is we give you we take a worksheet out. We write our asking price, the NADA retail value, and the reason the NADA value is important, these are the NADA books, and the reason the NADA books are important is because that's how much the banks and credit unions will loan on a particular car. Now, even if you're paying cash, this is important because you want to make sure that you're getting a fair pricing. NADA is one guide that we use. The other guides that we use is the Manheim Market Report, which is an internet-based report that gets us into the Manheim auctions, which are the largest auction chain in the world. And when I get into those reports, it'll tell me exactly what a particular car is selling for. An example, customer emailed me last week, says he has a Pontiac Solstice with 3,000 miles, and he wants to put it on consignment. He wants to sell it. It's in his garage. It's a 2006 model, so it's a 4-year-old car with 3,000 miles. Obviously, he doesn't drive it very much. He says it's got every option that you could have ordered, one of the first ones produced, and he took it and he was going to make a collector's car out of it. Well, other circumstances have come up, and he says, I'd rather have the money than rather have the car.